Hi everyone, I'm back, and we are now on week 4 of our lessons in math. This week, we are going to focus on dividing fractions. With today, we are going to focus on dividing proper and improper fractions. Now, this should be fun because I attached a video, a YouTube video on your worksheet. So, if you have already week 4, we have dividing proper and improper fractions. And on the next page, you will see that I gave you a link on YouTube. You can refer to that after this. Or if this is clear enough for you, well, that's a good job. However, make sure that if it's not yet clear, you can always refer to this video. I'll try my best to explain to you everything that you have to know about dividing proper and improper fractions. So let's have an example to give you a proper image of how we should do it. Let's have the one on your paper. This lesson, remember to always have your lesson at hand when we are watching this video. Okay, you can pause and have a look at your paper as I explain. You can just pause and play. So it says here to divide fractions, you have to take the reciprocal or to invert the fraction. So it might sound a bit complicated, so let's just show it to you. Let's have the example 4/5 divided by 2/3. Now, there is this really simple, really easy to remember rule that I will give you. It's called keep, change, and flip. So, this is what you have to remember for dividing fractions. We keep, we change, we flip. What do we keep? What do we change? And what do we flip? Let me rewrite this one. So, keep is for the first fraction, change is for the operation, and flip is for the second fraction. Let's abbreviate. Let's just use the first letter. Keep, change, and flip. Alright, so we have 4/5 divided by 2/3. So because we are keeping 4/5, it means we're not touching it. It stays the same. So let's write it down. 4/5. Now we have the division here, and teacher said change. Maybe you're wondering, change to what? Change the operation to the opposite. What is the opposite of division? What? Yes, it's multiplication. It is multiplication. So the opposite of division is multiplication. Change it. And then we have the last one, which is flip. When we flip, okay, we change their places. Okay, this goes down and this goes up. Because we flip it, it will become 3/2. Are you following? Good job. Now, remember what we did with multiplying fractions in the past? Week 3 is about multiplying fractions. So let's go ahead and multiply these fractions. 4 times 3, 12. 5 times 2 is 10. If you want, you can make it into a mixed fraction. Or if you want, we can go ahead and just put it in lowest term. 12/10 can also be divided by divided by 2 is 6. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So let's have 6 divided by 5 to make it into mixed fraction. We have 1 and 1/5. This and this are just the same. So you can express your answer into 6/5 or 1 and 1/5. Remember, it all depends upon the instruction of your teacher. So if teacher asks you to express your answer in mixed fraction or to express your answer in improper fraction, then you have to follow. Otherwise, if teacher did not say, you can express it the way that you want. Either improper fraction or mixed fraction. Let's have another example if you want.
To divide by a fraction, here's a tip. Keep, change, flip. To divide by a fraction, here's a tip. Keep, change, flip. To divide 1/2 by 1/6. Keep, change, flip. 1 times 6 is 6 and 2 times 1 is 2. It's an improper fraction, so we're not through. Divide 6 by 2 and the quotient is 3. Keep, change, flip. It's all that you need. To divide by a fraction, here's a tip. Keep, change, flip. To divide by a fraction, here's a tip. Keep, change, flip. To divide 2/5 by 1/5. Keep, change, flip. 2 times 5 is 10 and 5 times 1 is 5. It's an improper fraction, so you need to divide. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. When we divide by fractions, this is what we do. To divide by a fraction, here's a tip. Keep, change, flip. To divide by a fraction, here's a tip. Keep, change, flip.
Keep, change, flip.
Keep, change, flip may seem to work magically, but it can be explained mathematically. With the number 10, we can divide by 2, and that will leave 5 in each group. Or we can find that 5 through a different path by multiplying 10 by 2 flipped to 1/2. It's the trick that never fails called keep, change, flip. It's real magic, so use this tip.
We understand with these problems we love, because we know division means has how many groups of.
Let's explore that thought. How many groups of fourths does 1/2 got? 2/4 fit into 1/2 perfectly, and we found the quotient mentally. To divide by a fraction, here's a tip. Keep, change, flip. To divide by a fraction, here's a tip. Keep, change, flip. To divide by a fraction, here's a tip. Keep, change, flip. To divide by a fraction, here's a tip. Keep, change, flip.
Visit numberrock.com for exclusive content, lesson materials, and more. Thanks for watching.
Alright kids, so I promised you another example, but I want to actually reiterate or to say it again. The rule for dividing fraction is keep, change, flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip or switch places for the next or the second fraction. Let's show it to you just to refresh your memory. 1/2 divided by 2/3 equals, I don't know. So let's find out. Keep, remember, keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip. So keep 1/2, change division to multiplication, flip, switch places. This one goes up and 2 goes down. 3 over 2. Follow how to multiply fractions. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 2 is 4. There you have it. This is our answer for 1/2 divided by 2/3. We will get 3/4. Last example. I hope you are trying to focus. Okay? Keep a close eye. Keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip. 2/5 divided by 4/7. Let's have 4/7. So keep. When you keep, you just copy it. Change division to multiplication. And flip 4/7. It will become 7 over 4. Sorry, let's rewrite it. Alright, now it looks better. So let's multiply. 2 times 7 equals 14. 2 times 7 equals 14. 5 times 4 is 20. This is a proper fraction, but we can put it into lowest term. So both of them can be divided by 2. Sorry. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 20 divided by 2 is 10. We cannot make it any smaller, so this will be